benefits and Plantarian, no label, Fruitarian. So many people, as Dr. Barbara O'Neill talking about the importance of greens on the diet. Eating fruitarian is recommended, totally not any leafy greens, because we are taking the life from the leafy green. For them, fruit only means seed surrounded by flesh that grows on a tree or on a vine. For sure no coconuts, for sure no leafy greens, no sprouts, only fruits. The benefit is most of these things can be planted, the seed can be planted, and we can reforest. So why do we need to reforest? Like Sadhguru and other people, John Janjai, are saying the importance of reforesting. Trees are carbon storing for the oxygen. In the last year, the oxygen in the world went down so much by pollution and cutting forests. So we need to store more carbon, we need to retain more water in the ground, and we need to shade out and prevent dehydration by the sun. So trees are wonderful to have all these benefits to stop any global warming or any climate change, and to get more healthy air, because trees are amazing for oxygen. So the leafy greens is something that mostly grows on fields, monocropping farming. Many people don't realize that long ago there was a forest where the greens are growing, like in Europe. In the tropics, in Ecuador, Costa Rica, you can see when people burn down the forest on the hills, and months later, when everything is clean, they plant mono-cropping lands with leafy greens. So this is kind of a part of the evolution, together with cattle farming that caused deforestation, because cattle need land, and then you get the grass growing. So if you plant trees from your fruit seeds, and the trees shading out the ground, then the grass will finally disappear. The spiky plants will finally disappear. So many things that we see now popping up on cattlelands, like spiky plants, are caused by deforestation and exposing the land to the sun. The grass starts growing. Once it starts growing, the things are difficult to remove. So therefore there is a urge for planting trees, but why don't we plant then fruit trees who produce more food for the people in the world? The melons are also a part of deforestation and are actually a fruit. But the melons can actually grow in certain parts of permaculture. Land in an open space where they get plenty of sun. Is it ideal? No, it's not ideal, because I just said we need to shade out. But it's an option if you really want it. Pineapples are also part of even Fruitarian, but pineapples you cannot go on with planting a seed. So you need to cut the top and you plant the pineapple top into the soil. Somehow, if you plant the pineapples all together, they can help to shade out the ground a little bit. Not as a tree, but they can. And if you mulch before you plant them, you can even improve the soil. So they need to have a little open space where the sun to let them produce the sweet pineapple. But that's kind of possible on the outside of your fruit forest, where everything can have plenty of sun. Or around your house that need to have sun to prevent mold by too much shade around your house. The options for not killing living plants, for not killing leafy greens, is one of the options is tree lettuce. So you can take the leaves, it keeps on growing. You are not killing it actually. You can grow your own lettuce in a vegetable bed and taking leaves, not taking out the crop, then you don't kill. Another option is you grow a bush of kaduk, which is called sweet leaf, and you use the leaves and the bush can grow on. Another one is moringa, where they make the superfood powder from. It's eatable, edible leaf, so you can harvest the leaf and it can you don't kill, so it can the tree or the bush can go on with growing. So this is how you can do Eden Fruitarian and still have a little bit greens without any killing of the plant, bush or tree. Because people like Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommending the greens after the fruit to lure the damage on your teeth by the sugar in the fruits. But Barbara is not really a fruitarian doctor. She is living in the mountains in Europe. She is not into raw diet or even not into fruit diet. But it's kind of a good advice. But you know now what is benefiting humanity and what is causing more deforestation when there is an urge for more trees.